Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact messenger platform you mean and securing access. This matters because page versus user bots differ. Once done, make sure you have admin rights and copy the API token safely. Next, install a quick API tool like Postman or Learn C URL so you can call endpoints. I'll show how to probe the bot presence. These initial checks save time and prevent permission errors when you begin querying the platform. You now perform targeted queries. Call the Graph API endpoints that list subscribed apps and messenger bots for the page. While doing that, inspect webhook subscriptions and app settings to confirm which service handles incoming messages. Then send controlled test messages or use the Send API to trigger responses and observe headers and payloads. This reveals the bot's behavior and endpoints. Once you parse responses, map the flow, entry points, handlers, and any middleware the bot uses for message processing. Finish by documenting every endpoint, token scope, and observed response pattern so you can reproduce the setup. Then replicate the bot locally or in a staging workspace with detailed logging enabled to follow message flows step by step. If you hit a roadblock, verify page permissions, app review status, and rate limits, and confirm the webhook URL is reachable and validated. Often an unreachable webhook or missing permission is the culprit. With those checks, you'll reliably locate and debug the messenger bot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.